Meet Kavita. Her first birthday bash. Her first scholarship. Her first big career decision. VLCC changes lives on a daily basis. With over 50 institutes spread over 36 cities, we have trained thousands of health and beauty professionals. Our state-of-the-art institute provides a plethora of courses in skin, hair, beauty, makeup, aesthetics, nutrition, spa therapies, and many more. We equip our students to take on all the industry has to offer with ease.
Three years ago, I was confused about what to do with my life. Then, I enrolled myself at the VLCC Institute. Today, I run my own spa and salon. I'm independent and confident. VLCC Institute changed my life.
I chose this course because I really love the fashion industry, and I think VLCC Institute has taught me a lot about makeup, so I'm pretty sure I'm ready to join the industry as soon as I graduate.
Thanks to VLCC Institute, I have got my dream job at MAC as a makeup artist.
Thanks to the comprehensive courses offered here, I was more than prepared for my job interviews.
My confidence levels are higher than ever. Now I am the manager of Bella Madonna. Thanks to VLCC Institute, I am independent and I live my life by my own rules.
I think कहीं और try करती तो शायद मैं अपना dream fulfill ना कर सकती.
VLCC Institute has really changed my life.
I love VLCC Institute and I love the change.
Thank you, VLCC Institute. I love the change.